Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to get the exclusive black card in Avatar World, a fantastic item that unlocks special rewards and hidden secrets. This easy guide will walk you through each step. To begin your exciting journey, first head over to the bustling shopping boulevard. Once you arrive, look for the adorable Kawaii store, a bright and colorful shop that holds the very first clue to your quest for the black card. Upon entering the charming Kawaii store, your next crucial task is to find a mysterious box. This isn't just any ordinary container. It's a special box that needs to be filled with various unique items. Keep your eyes peeled for it among all the cute merchandise and vibrant displays. Finding and understanding the purpose of this box is a vital step in progressing on your journey to successfully obtain the coveted black card. Now comes the most engaging part of your adventure. Collecting the necessary items, you'll need to explore different areas of Avatar World to find the specific objects required to fill the mysterious box. As you discover each item, return to the Kawaii store and carefully place it inside. Every single item you add brings you one significant step closer to unlocking the black card's incredible power and all its hidden benefits. Once all the required items are successfully placed into the special box, the coveted black card will magically appear for you to claim. With your brand new black card proudly in hand, proceed directly to the cashier. Present your exclusive black card, there to receive a fantastic surprise gift, revealing one of the many hidden secrets in Avatar World. Enjoy your well-earned, exclusive rewards and explore new possibilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.